Presenting the Fire-Boltt Ninja Calling 1.69 inches full touch Bluetooth calling smartwatch with 30 sports mode, SpO2, heart rate monitoring and a voice assistant. It comes in color options of dark green, silver, and metal gray, rose golden and black. It comes with smooth functioning and easy swipes making life better. And 1.69-inch HD Full Touch best-in-class HD Full Touch screen with a 240x280 pixel HQ resolution. It supports SpO2 and heart rate tracking, track real-time heart rate on the go and featuring blood oxygen tracking with optical sensors that give almost accurate results. It also supports Bluetooth calling watch Fire-Boltt Ninja Calling, dial pad, option to access recent calls and sync your phone's contacts and receive calls directly from your watch via the built-in speaker and microphone. It also has 30 sports mode Fire-Boltt Ninja Calling smartwatch. The delivery box contains one smartwatch and one manual, one magnetic charger and one warranty card. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.